Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy and my goal here is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. Today we'll be going over the preset that I used in the cover video for New Thing Coming by Elevation Worship. I used the HX Stomp on that video and I'll be going over the differences between that and the Helix preset. This one's built on an AC30 and the HX Stomp signal chain is compression going into an heir apparent, into the Diana drive, into the AC30. Then it goes into a dual cab block, each cab with their own microphone just to give it a little bit of width. And then we have a tape delay, the dynamic hall reverb, and a simple EQ bumping that holy mid-range. This one has 3 snapshots set up. The first one, snapshot 1, is set up real clean. Snapshot 2 is very overdriven for the chorus. Snapshot 3 is the lead tone used in the refrains and the big dynamics at the end of the song. I also have 2 foot switches set up. Foot switch 1 allows you to kick on the heir apparent, and I use that on the second set of verses and also on the second time we go through those lead lines on the refrain. And then foot switch 2 is set up for swells, and that's how we close out the song. Just a little bit more ambience, gives us a chance to really wind that song down. The Helix preset is similar with the compression going into the heir apparent, into the Diana drive, and then we're going into a volume pedal. Then that splits into 2 AC30s, each with their own cab, mic'd up their own way. And then tape delay, dynamic hall reverb, and the simple EQ bumping that holy mid-range. This one is labeled for all the foot switches as SS1, SS1 plus OD, and that's kicking on that overdrive. SS2, SS3, SS3 plus OD, kicking in that overdrive, and then SS3 plus swell to kick it into that swell tone. Today I'll be going over each preset with the Gretsch, with a custom Tele, and with the PRS loaded with bare knuckle mule humbuckers. All right, let's hear it. Line 6 offers several amps with great clean tone. What's your go-to? Let us know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. If you'd like the resources for this song, you can find them in a link in the description box below. There's also a handful of free downloads for you in there as well. Alright, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.